Did you know that diet contributes to nearly 30% of cancer-related deaths? Even more alarming, many of us are consuming foods every day that could actually worsen cancer. What if your favorite snack or meal was unintentionally fueling this deadly disease? Stick with me because in today's video, we're uncovering cancer-worsening foods you need to know about, and you might be surprised by what's on the list. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive into life-changing health information. Today we're talking about a topic that's vital for anyone battling cancer, caring for a loved one with cancer, or simply wanting to prevent it: the foods that can worsen cancer. While many of us focus on adding cancer-fighting superfoods to our diet, we often overlook the hidden dangers lurking in our daily meals. These aren't just minor health risks. Some of these foods can directly impact how cancer grows and spreads. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to avoid and why. And trust me, the last food on this list is one most people never suspect. Let's get started. There's a misconception out there that all foods, especially those marketed as healthy or convenient, are safe. But that's far from the truth. For cancer patients, the stakes are even higher. Certain foods can interfere with treatment, weaken the immune system, or even stimulate cancer cell growth. Ignoring these risks can make the fight against cancer much harder than it needs to be. So let's challenge this misconception head-on and uncover the foods that might be sabotaging your health. Let's break this down. Here are 7 foods that anyone concerned about cancer should be cautious about or avoid altogether. Number 1. Processed meats. Bacon, sausages, ham and hot dogs might be delicious, but they come with a hidden cost. Processed meats are preserved with nitrates and nitrites, chemicals that can form nitrosamines in the body. Nitrosamines are powerful carcinogens linked to colorectal, stomach and pancreatic cancers. What makes it worse? Studies have found that just 50 grams of processed meat per day, roughly 2 slices of bacon, can increase the risk of colorectal cancer by 18%. So think twice before adding that bacon to your breakfast plate. Number 2. Refined sugars and sugary drinks. Did you know cancer cells love sugar? Refined sugars found in soft drinks, candies, and even certain healthy granola bars provide a quick energy source for cancer cells. When you consume sugary foods, your blood sugar and insulin levels spike, which can lead to inflammation, a key factor in cancer progression. Even worse, high insulin levels can promote the growth of insulin-like growth factor, IGF, a hormone that encourages tumor development. So next time you reach for that soda, remember, it's not just about empty calories, it's about feeding the wrong cells. Number 3. Fried and overcooked foods. Golden brown and crispy sounds appealing, right? But fried foods like French fries, chips and fried chicken often contain acrylamide. This chemical forms when starchy foods are cooked at high temperatures, such as frying or baking. Acrylamide is a known carcinogen that's been linked to cancers of the kidney, ovaries and endometrium. The same goes for charred or overcooked meats, which can produce heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs. These compounds can damage DNA and pave the way for cancer development. Number 4. Alcohol. While a glass of wine might be fine for some, excessive alcohol consumption is a major risk factor for cancer. Alcohol metabolizes into acetaldehyde, a toxic chemical that can damage DNA and prevent cells from repairing themselves. Liver, breast, mouth and throat cancers are all strongly linked to alcohol intake. Even moderate drinking can increase breast cancer risk for women. So if you're looking to reduce cancer risk, cutting back on alcohol is a good place to start. Number 5. Hydrogenated oils and trans fats. Hydrogenated oils, often found in margarine, packaged baked goods and fast food, are loaded with trans fats. These unhealthy fats promote inflammation in the body, a major driver of cancer. Trans fats also contribute to obesity, which is a risk factor for at least 13 types of cancer, including endometrial, breast and colorectal cancers. Always check food labels for partially hydrogenated oils and avoid them whenever possible. Number 6. Artificial sweeteners. Think swapping sugar for artificial sweeteners is a better choice? Not so fast. Sweeteners like aspartame and saccharin have been under scrutiny for their potential carcinogenic effects. While research is ongoing, some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners can disrupt gut bacteria, leading to inflammation and weakened immune response. If you're trying to cut back on sugar, opt for natural alternatives like stevia or monk fruit instead. And now for the most surprising food to avoid, farm-raised fish. While fish is often considered a healthy protein, farm-raised varieties, especially salmon, can carry dangerous levels of toxins like polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs. PCBs are industrial chemicals linked to liver, kidney and breast cancers. Farmed fish are often fed an unnatural diet and exposed to antibiotics, pesticides and other chemicals. Shockingly, farm-raised salmon can contain up to 16 times more PCBs than wild salmon. Always opt for wild-caught fish when possible. Let's recap the cancer-worsening foods we've covered. Processed meats, refined sugars and sugary drinks, fried and overcooked foods, alcohol, hydrogenated oils and trans fats, artificial sweeteners, farm-raised fish. Each of these foods has a profound impact on your body, potentially fueling inflammation, disrupting the immune system, and even promoting cancer growth. The good news is that with awareness and small dietary changes, you can take control of your health. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community for more tips on health and wellness. And remember to turn on the notification bell so you're the first to know when we release new videos.